I forgot to start recording before I started actually working on this thing. I got the master cylinder, I got the vacuum booster in. Brand new, it looks beautiful. I'm about to bench bleed this. And yeah, see how that goes. Alright, booster is on, master cylinder has been bench bled. The way I bench bled it is I left these in and just went in and out with the piston until the air started. Before any of you come at me, yes, I had the master cylinder off the vehicle when I bench bled it. Until the air started coming out of the container. I would set you guys down somewhere, but there's not really a good place for me to put you guys to watch me fumble to put these brake lines on, so I'm just gonna do that. Alright, so everything is on, bolted down, tightened up, looking brand new. Time to get in the van and see if I have any brake pressure. Hello, clutch. You always like to think you're driving when I leave, eh? I should be able to tell right away. Oh, still feels kind of. It's still going all the way to the floor. Oh, that didn't work. So hopefully bleeding the brakes, now that everything is proper, hopefully there's just a lot of air in the lines and I just need to get that out now. Well, they don't feel perfect, but they definitely work. It works enough to where, well, this thing doesn't have enough power to do a brake stand, but it works enough to where it stalls it when I try and do a brake stand. When I hold the brake and the gas pedal, it's holding me still. Before, when I'd hit the gas, it would just push me forward. So now at least I have stopping power. I bled the brakes by myself. I haven't gotten a hold of my buddy yet to come help me bleed these brakes properly, but they seem to be working. So I'm gonna clean up all this stuff from outside for the past couple weeks, me working on this thing, and then I'm gonna go on a little test drive. All right, well, only thing left to do now is clean up all this junk and tie everything down so the stuff isn't gonna fall off the shelves, which is gonna take a little longer than probably I'm thinking. Right, I have everything cleaned up in here for the most part. This is really dirty because I was stupid, and it's not a type of wood that you should be putting any sort of greasy things on or cutting on or anything or splashing or cooking on, and it's stained now, so I need to get a vinyl top for that to cover that up. But this is as clean as she's gonna get for now. Everything is off the walls, everything's strapped down, screwed down. You know, there's a couple little things around, but I don't think things are really gonna fall too much. I mean, these little things, yeah, okay. But for the most part, everything is secured, and I'm gonna go for a test drive. But gee, why were you sitting like that, you weirdo? Hello. You want a hug? My hugs. More hugs. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. He loves literally just hugging me. as if I'm driving this thing right now. Oh, I'm so excited. Well, let's see how this test drive goes. So the brakes, I don't know, they don't feel as good as obviously my Taurus, but it does stop, as you can see. So we're gonna go test, and I can hold the gas and the brake and it stays stopped. So we're gonna go on a little test drive and see how things are. Turn the heat off so I can listen for any weird noises. Oh yeah, I stopped now. I guess my stuff's not as tied down as I thought it was. Clutch is just chilling. Definitely seems to have like a misfire or something. Didn't have a whole lot of power. I'm gonna try and put seafoam in the gas tank before I leave. Okay, I'm gonna turn around somewhere. This thing does not have the power to go up hills. Brakes were good enough to knock the GoPro over on ice, so that's good. Alright, well, down the hill, here's the test. Oh yeah, I can stop. They definitely could be better. I think I need to have my friend's help actually bleeding them. But it stops. It stops. I don't want to hit the brakes too hard and destroy all my stuff in the back. It's actually only one thing that's moving. It's just the, just my drawers that are moving around. Clutch loves being able to just walk around though. That's for sure. Hey buddy. Let's do a full stop here. They definitely could be better, for sure. But they stop now. So now it's just a bleeding issue, I think. Because it has brand new calipers, brand new pads, brand new master cylinder, brand new brake booster, brand new front rotors. Ugh, this thing. Oh, there's a couple of deer on the road. Hi, deers. Right, first real test drive went well. I'm at the Orchard Mall. I drove my buddy here because he needed to do some things, and the van is out in public. So this is just extra storage, and then my generator, gasoline and stuff on the front. That was the only place I could figure out to put it because the back hitch is a stupid little flat hitch and I can't find an adapter. So, but yeah, the van is officially out in public, looking ridiculous, but this is awesome. I'm so happy. Literally so happy. This is so cool to be able to drive your buddy to the mall and then just sit in the mall in your van, just chilling, waiting. I have the lights off right now to kind of conserve power because I'm gonna run my diesel heater, keep it warm in here. And my solar battery isn't the best because I had it hooked up to my Taurus battery to charge it and I kind of kaputzed it. So I need to get a new solar battery that'll actually hold a decent amount of power. But now that I say that, that's another thing is the diesel heater's largest consumption is when the glow plug is on when it's first starting. So now that the glow plug is off and it's started and it's just the electric pump and the fan going off the 12 volt, it doesn't conserve that, it doesn't take that much power, it conserves a lot of power. So I'll show you down here, I have my voltage, you can see it's 12.1. That, when the diesel heater was starting up, went down to 11.3 volts. So it went pretty far down, but now that it started up, it's back up at 12 volts and I don't have to worry. I'm gonna turn the lights back on and we're gonna chill here and with the heat, with the lights on and watch some videos. Once I get my better solar battery, again, I get a new solar battery, I'll be able to watch TV and Xbox and just do everything that I would do in my house while I'm just waiting for my buddy at the mall or when I'm out in the woods. This is so cool. Look at me. Look at me. I could put this down too so I'd have privacy there. I'm going to be putting blinds on here and on the windows very shortly. But look, I'm just in the middle of the parking lot in Kelowna. I got to take off all these Mario stickers still. These things were everywhere, all over the cupboards, everything. It was crazy, all the Mario stickers. The diesel heat has been running for probably a minute, maybe 2 now. And so my temperature gauge doesn't work all that well. I don't know, I think it could be 12 degrees in here. It's a little bit chilly. I have it set at the rate so it's not following a temperature, it's just on like low to high. There's 5 settings, low to high. So I have it in the middle right now, which is H3. There's H1, H2, H3, H4, and H5. Stop to get the essentials. There's a big hill to climb here. Oh yeah, just got it, no problem. Look at this, freaking thing even drives pin straight. Okay, well the road warp's there. There you go, look at that, no hands on the wheel, nothing. This is awesome. Alright guys, well that is it for today's video. I'm going to try and post a little bit more frequently. In the beginning I was posting like every couple weeks kind of thing. I'm going to try and post every couple of days, if not every day even, and just try and do like an actual like daily van life vlog of my day, even if I'm not really traveling. Now that the van is going, I'm going to do some test runs around Kelowna, close to my friend's house. In case anything does go wrong, they can come get me and I can fix it. I don't want to go 6 hours away to where I know nobody, just in case when I don't really know this van super well yet. So yes, like I said, that being said, I'm probably going to stick around Kelowna for another month or so. I'm thinking I'm going to stay here for Christmas. I was going to go back to Winnipeg for Christmas. I've talked to my mom and she was like, you know what, it's super expensive to come back. You don't need to come back. It's okay. So I think I'm going to save that money because it'll be like $1,000 round trip, if not more, to drive there and back, or to even fly there and back. So I'm probably going to stick around here for Christmas, spend Christmas with my friends here in Kelowna, and then after Christmas, I'm heading out. That gives me some time to try and make some money too, about a month to try and make some money, because I don't have a whole lot of money left. Like I have okay amount of money. I'm not super broke, but I don't have enough where I feel comfortable leaving and going on the road. So I need to make some money in this month, and I need to just prepare and test and fix a couple more things that I want to really just get done. Like the belts, I need to do the belts on this thing, and just get some spare parts, a spare tire chains, stuff like that. Just make sure I'm going to be good to go and, you know, ready for any circumstance that may occur with this vehicle that I know absolutely nothing about. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna stick around here, do some test runs. It's still gonna be fun. I'm gonna be doing camping and stuff though. In the next few days, I'm gonna go up to one of the mountains close by and just spend the night up there, see how I like it. This battery that I have here isn't the greatest, but I do have my generator on the front, so if need be, if my battery started getting low, I can start my generator, plug in my battery charger, charge up the battery, and it'll be good. Because my solar panels aren't working the greatest for some reason. My big solar panel, I don't think is even putting out any sort of charge. Only my small solar panel does, so it doesn't do a whole lot when I have this much electronics going. And yes, I know I don't need I'm camping, but I'm not really camping. I'm living in my van. So yeah, I do have a lot of electronics, and I like to, you know, watch TV and have things going and go on my laptop and edit and charge my phone and have the lights on and have heat on and stuff like that. It's still comfy and luxuries, comfy and luxuries, comfy and luxuries. So I don't know if my battery that I have right now that is a little bit swollen is going to be good to do all that. So I really need to get a new solar battery before I end up taking off on this new chapter of this journey in the van now. So yeah, like I said, just, I don't know. Please, everybody, if you haven't already, subscribe. If you're new and you somehow came across my video, please subscribe. Please tell me what I could do better in my videos. I'm going to be traveling more soon, so you have a lot better content coming up. It won't just be me fixing the van and working around in the van and talking and stuff. It's going to be really cool van lifey content with stuff happening, maybe breakdowns, maybe crazy things happening, maybe me meeting crazy cool people or something. So yeah, just stick around. Please subscribe, and yeah, please leave a comment too. I said in my last couple of videos, I love when you guys comment, because it just, the interaction is nice. Honestly, being able to communicate with you guys and talk and see what you guys like, and just getting all your love and interaction is just amazing. And even the critical feedback kind of thing, the things that I need to do better, the things that I've done wrong and I should fix up, everything like that. I love hearing it all. So please leave a comment and subscribe and like if you want. And yeah, we will see you guys in the next video. Thank you all. I love you all.